For energy consumption, we will start from June until November. Firstly, the energy consumption on June is 389 kilowatt. Second, July is 240 kilowatt. And the for August is 138 kilowatt. For September is 20 kilowatt. Next, for October is 99 and last for November is 380 kilowatt. Okay, total for this 6 months is 1266 kilowatt. The average energy consumption is 211 kilowatt. Next, for the minimum energy consumption is 20 kilowatt and the maximum energy consumption is 389 kilowatt.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to present about energy and cost saving target for energy consumption. As you can see in the table, we have energy consumption, energy cost, and energy efficiency index for 6 months. For total for energy consumption is 1,266, and for the cost 366 ringgit and 53 cents. For energy efficiency index, we use formula energy consumption divide number of households, which means 10% for this house. And the total for energy efficiency index is 132 and 26.6. We assume that set energy consumption for 6 months is reduced 30%. That we get 886.2 kilowatt. And for the set cost saving target for total 6 months that reduced 30%, we get 165 ringgit and 34 cents. That we can conclude that we can save at least 181 ringgit and 90 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Noah and today I would like to present about 3.0, which is identify and measurement of the energy consumption in my house. 5 equipment that I choose in my house, which are the first one is refrigerator, second is LED on-light square, third is iron, fourth is ceiling fan, and lastly is washing machine manual. For the first equipment, which is refrigerator, power supply of this equipment is 100 watts and daily use in my house for this refrigerator is 24 hours. Second is LED downlight square. Power supply for this LED is 12 watt and there are 24 units in my house. Daily use for this LED is 4 to 5 hours a day. Next is ceiling fan. Power supply for ceiling fan is 64 watts and there are 5 units in my house. Daily use for this ceiling fan is 6 to 7 hours in a day. Next equipment is iron. Power supply for iron is quite high, which is 1450 watts and daily use for this iron is 3 times in a week only. And last equipment is washing machine manual. For washing machine, power supply that use is 445 watts and daily use for this once daily. It takes 20 minutes for this washing machine.
Now we go to develop the load apportionment, where we count the percentage of each appliance. The highest percentage of appliance listed are refrigerator, which is 38.72%, while the lowest percentage of appliance usage is manual washing machine, which is only 2.39%.
According to the cost energy target for 6 months, which is to reduce the energy consumption from 1,266 kilowatt per hour to 886.2 kilowatt per hour, with the energy cost of 366 ringgit 53 cents to 185 ringgit 34 cents, which is a reduction of 30%. Hence, a few measures can be done to reach the cost energy target. First, turn off the lights when no one is using. As there is 24 LED downlight square in the house, which the energy consumption is over the 6 months is 23.33%. Only turn on the light when necessary. When no one is in the room or in the area, turn off the light. This can reduce the light energy consumption from 23.23% to 15%. Second, replace the washing machine narrow to a 5-star label washing machine. 5-star label washing machine means that the product has the highest energy efficiency, which will save costs. By replacing the manual washing machine to a 5-star label, will reduce the washing machine energy consumption from 2.39% to 1%. Third, only iron costs when necessary. The energy consumption for iron over the 6 months is 4.68%. Only iron costs that easy wrinkles or also iron equals in lower temperature. Iron in lower temperature will use lesser energy, which can reduce the energy consumption from 4.68% to 3%. Lastly, lower the ceiling fan power when it's cold. The ceiling fan energy consumption over the 6 months is 30.98. Since it has 5 ceiling fans in a house, it has the highest energy consumption. Hence, to reduce the energy consumption, lower the ceiling fan power when it is cold, especially after the rainy days. Its overall atmosphere will be cold, and this can reduce the energy consumption from 30.98 to 35%.
For financial analysis, we'll be taking one example, which is ceiling fan. For example, like it has 5 alternatives, so in overall the total energy per year will be 601.2. And the potential saving will be looking at the measures of lowering the ceiling fan power when it's cold. So the overall total is 691.2, and the potential cost saving will be the total energy per month times tariff rate, and tariff rate will be according to the TMB, so the total will be 281.6. For the investment cost is the average that will be investing on the ceiling fan itself, and the simple payback period will be the year it takes if we to return the investment cost, which is 3.55 years. So the total energy consumption potential saving in a month will be 72 kilowatt per hour.
For prioritize and implementation plan, we identify that refrigerator use a lot of electrics. So because of that, we should not open the refrigerator door too long. This because it needs more energy to cool down the refrigerator. The second highest usage of electric is LED downlight square, so we should use them only when needed. Thirdly, is use ceiling fan at lowest power to reduce its electric. Lastly, is iron clothes once for a week.